I feel so bad because my Rottweiler and my Husky think that this box is for them, but it's not. So my car, my 370Z is sponsored by Meguiar's. I use all sorts of different Meguiar's products on my car. Mainly my interior more than anything, and my wheels, because my car is ceramic coated. So let me open this up and show you, because I absolutely love Meguiar's products. I've been using them for years. So let's see what they sent me. I have no idea. This like randomly showed up at my door. Every year it seems like they send twice the year. They send like a big bulk of like tons of stuff. And then, sorry for my dogs in the background. And then they send like a whole nother box full of like their newer products. So, oh wow, okay. So they sent a bigger Meguiar's sticker, but it's like a vinyl decal. And then, oh, let's check out all of this stuff. It is, like I said, it's a full box full of stuff. We have a Microfiber Mitt times 2. You have their microfiber towels. I love these towels. These things are freaking amazing. Then a whole nother thing of microfiber towels. Let's see what else we have. We have Endurance tire gel. I do use this stuff at shows, the different tire gel. After a parked car, wipe everything down. I put that tire gel to give it that nice white, like light, shiny look to the wheels. Makes it look so much better. Then you have the Ultimate Wash and Wax. I use this on my Supra as well as my wife's car. I do not use it on the Z because of the wax, because I don't need it. But this is the hyperphoponic polymer technology. They give you 2 of them. Yes, 2, not 1, just 2. So they definitely want you washing your car a lot. Then your interior detail cleaner. I definitely use this. This stuff's awesome. Oh man, my Husky burping. Apologize that you have the interior detail. I use this because it doesn't leave like a shininess. It's just a nice cleaning of it. And then a second one. So 2 of everything seems to be the trend, because 2 tire shines when I really don't go through enough. I usually go through like maybe half a bottle in a season. And I go to at least 10 shows a year. And then 2 bottles of the Quick Detailer. So this must be all their new stuff, because it says Boost Gloss. And it's all hyperponic polymer technology. So every single one of these says that on it, as opposed to the last ones that I don't believe have that on there. And then, yeah. So that is everything that they sent me. Yeah, the sponsorship should be coming up soon. It's usually, I want to say around December time frame. It depends, but I'll put a link in the video description of where you can go, and it should give like the time frame of when to apply for it, and if you get approved or not. You do have to have a really nice car. It has to be clean and stand out, and whether it's a show car, it could be pristine classic car. They have all the different areas that they look for cars in to sponsor, so it doesn't hurt to apply. If you get denied, you get denied, but if you get approved, you get a ton of stuff. But you have to definitely be a part of the community, the car community. Go to car meets, go to shows, you know, speak about the brands. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Not surprise, this was a surprise to me. And check out whatever video YouTube recommends to you, and take care. Bye.